Divided by faith, united in spirit. Divided by faith, united in spirit is an engaging African Zimbabwean Shona story set in a traditional Shona village. It explores the journey of two families, the Gumbos and the Tawandas, who, despite being believers in the same God, are divided by trivial differences and affiliations with different Christian churches. The story reveals the complications of such divisions and the lessons learned about unity, love, and true faith. In Mashonaland, in Glendale, lay the village of Glendale. Here lived two prominent families, the Gumbos and the Tawandas, who, despite their shared faith, were divided by their affiliations with different Christian churches. Scene 2. The Divide. Every Sunday, the Gumbos attended the Methodist Church, while the Nyathis went to the Pentecostal Church. Though they worshipped the same God, their differences created a chasm between them. Totenda firmly said, "We believe in order and tradition." Chipo passionately, "We believe in the spirit and fervor of worship." Scene 3. A trivial conflict. One day, a trivial disagreement over church activities sparked a heated argument between Totenda and Chipo, deepening the divide between their families. Totenda angrily said, "Your church's loud music is disrupting our services." Chipo defensively said, "And your rigid ways are stifling the spirit." Scene 4. The Young Love. Amidst the family feud, Makanaka and Maya found solace in each other's company. Their love blossomed despite the division, and they dreamed of a united family. Makanaka softly said, "Maya, why must our families be so divided over such trivial things?" Maya, determined, said, "We must find a way to bring them together, Makanaka." Scene 5. Seeking wisdom. Seeking a solution, the young couple turned to Elder Ben, a wise and respected figure in the village. Makanaka said, "Elder Ben, we need your help. Our families are divided over their churches, but we believe in the same God." Elder Ben wisely said, "My children, true faith lies in love and unity. Let us bring your families together and remind them of this truth." Scene 6. The Reconciliation Gathering. With Elder Ben's guidance, a reconciliation gathering was arranged. Both families came together, hesitant but hopeful. Elder Ben said, "Brothers and sisters, we worship the same God. Let us not let trivial differences divide us. Let love and unity guide our hearts." Scene 7. Unity restored. Moved by Elder Ben's words, the families reconciled. They realized that their differences were trivial compared to their shared faith and love for each other. Totenda, "We have been foolish. Forgive us, Chipo. Chipo, and forgive us, Totenda. Let us move forward together in unity." Conclusion scene. The moral of the story. And so, the village of Chaitingwiza learned a valuable lesson. True faith is not measured by the church you attend, but by the love and unity you show. In the end, we are all believers in the same God.